Hello children, this is Sarabjit here. Today we are going to learn action words in English. What are action words? Any words that describes an act of doing something is called an action word. कुछ काम करना, कुछ action होना, we are doing something is called an action words. So there are some poems also in which we learn some action words. So let's read this rhyme. We have so many action words in this rhyme. So start. Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Drive, drive, drive your car gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is such a treat. Fly, fly, fly your plane way up in the air. Merrily, 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 life is without a care. Okay, now you all have to read this rhyme. So let's search some action words in this rhyme. Here, row. Row is a action word. Drive is action word. Fly is an action word. So have you seen the action words in this rhyme? So let's revise again the action words. Any words that describes an action, an act of doing something is called action words. So let's read some more action words. I talk, she writes, they play, row the boat. You listen, he jumps. We all eat, drive the car. Here the action words are talk, writes, play, row, listen, jumps, eat, drive. These all are action words. These all are doing something. We are doing something here. Talk, writes, play, row, listen, jumps, eat and drive. So let's solve one exercise here. Read the question with me. Look at the pictures. Fill in the blanks with the action words. Now we have to fill the action words. First look at the picture. What boy is doing? Boy is eating. Eat. Write T here. The girl is running. Write N here. Run. The man is cooking. Cook. In this picture, drive. The girl is standing here. Stand. Sing. Read. Push. Sleep. These all words are action words. These words are doing something. Now let's see one more exercise. Look at the picture and read the sentence. Check that each sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Circle the action words. In these sentences, you have to circle the action words and remember that the first letters, we write the first letter capital and at the end we put the full stop. Start. Sarah brushes her teeth. Which is the action word? Brushes. Doing here, brushes means we are doing something. Soham wears his socks. Wears is a action word. Doing something. Soham is doing something. He is doing some work. Chinu washes his hands. Washes is a action word. Tanya sings a song. Sings is a action word. She is doing something. Chini dances well. Dances is a action word. Chini doing something here. Mother bakes cakes. Bakes is a action word. So you all have to write these sentences here. start first letter with the capital and at the end you have to put the full stop. Okay, now let's see one more exercise. Look at the pictures. Rohan is telling you about what he does during the day. Help him write the action words using words from the help box. Here Rohan is describing his day. I wake up in the morning. I dash my teeth. Dash is brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. B. Then I dash. Then he takes bath. After that I dash my breakfast. After that I eat my breakfast. I dash my uniform. I wear my uniform. I dash to school every day. I walk to school every day. I dash a book. I read a book. I dash football. I play football. I dash at night. I sleep at night. Hope you all have understood the action words. In this exercise also we have used the action words. So let's again revise the action words. Action words means any word that describes an act of doing something is called an action word. Doing something is a action word. Thank you.